Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to see all your Google account activity without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google app. Open up your Google search. The next thing you want to do is to simply go ahead and click on your profile icon. Go ahead and click on search personalization. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on my Google activity. Then here you go. You have access to all your Google activity, such as web and app activity, timeline, YouTube history. You can scroll down right here and see some of your history across Google service. The more you scroll down, the more you see all your browse history right here. However, you can decide to manage and delete or remove as many as possible different history and activity from your Google account. For that, come to the top right here, go ahead and click on delete. Then you can delete the last hour, last day, all time, or custom rate as the case may be. Go ahead and click on this here to close the tab. You can also come to the top right. You can also come to the top right there, click on this three slider. This allows you to manage different other activity, like other activity control, and then you can also delete my activity as the case may be. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Google search like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.